This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself. I'm noticing some water coming out here during the drain cycle out of this air gap, so we're going to clean that a little bit so it doesn't leak. You don't want that water leaking on your countertop. So pull off the cover, and then to get this off, I'll use a standard head screwdriver to kind of pry in on these two clips. That comes off. And I'm going to use a brush to clean out the large black tube that goes between this air gap and the garbage disposer. I sped up the film a little bit. But this is a kind of like a snake with a brush at the end. And I'm putting it in there and getting some of the fat accumulation and grease onto the brush, and then I'll pull it out, clean it off, and do that numerous times until it's a nice clear tube. This is an interesting brush. This is a CPAP tube cleaning brush you can get from Amazon. Only about 10 bucks, but a really good tool for doing this kind of work. Get into a long tube. I'm going to clean off the brush, and then I'll go in and do that again. I think it took maybe 3 or 4 times before all of that stuff was out. So I'm pushing it in, kind of going, once it's all the way to the clog, going back and forth, and then cleaning it, and then doing it again. Eventually the brush will go all the way down, all the way to the garbage disposer, and then you know you're done. And make sure the drain doesn't turn on while I'm doing this, because it'll shoot water straight up. There's 2 tubes here really on the air gap. There's a small tube in the middle. That one sometimes gets jammed and then your dishwasher won't drain. If the bigger tube gets jammed, then water will shoot out onto your counter or into your sink when the dishwasher tries to drain. And you just need to clean that inside of that tube by this process, and then it'll be fine. I'm going to put that cap back on. It just goes one way, so if it doesn't seat, just flip it around. Lock that down. I'll press drain. And now it's doing great. It's not leaking on the counter. It's going right down into the garbage disposer like it's designed to do. Just get this stuff cleaned up. So I'm just using a brush to get this air gap looking like new again, and I'll put the silver cap back on, and it'll last for quite a long time before it'll clog up again. So set it for drain, and yeah, it does great. It doesn't shoot out on the counter, it just drains right to the disposer. Put the cap back on, and looks brand new and really nice again. Thanks so much for watching our video. We really appreciate your support. And when you get a chance, please press the subscribe button below so you can be subscribed, and also the notification bell so we can send you more videos about appliance repair. Please also give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. If you really liked the video and it really helped you, please press this new applaud button, and you can show your support and also get a nice clapping hands for your video. Thanks again.